Having sound issues on your Airtel DTH box connected to an Android TV? I have a quick fix you can do in under 2 minutes. Follow these steps exactly. First, grab your TV remote and go to Settings. On Android TV, scroll to Device Preferences. Open it. Now find Display and Sound. Tap that. You will see an option called CEC Control. Open CEC Control and turn it off. Quick note. CEC lets devices control each other over HDMI, but sometimes it messes with audio on DTH boxes. Turning it off usually stabilizes the sound. Back to Display and Sound. Look for Advanced Sound Settings. Open it. Find the option for Surround Sound. Also look for Formats if it appears. Select None. Never use Surround Sound. This forces Standard Stereo, the most compatible setting for many DTH channels. Now press Home to return to your TV's main screen. Launch your DTH and open any channel. You should hear clean, consistent audio. No dropouts, no weird switching, and no silent channels. If the sound is still off, do a quick restart. Turn the TV off and on, or unplug the HDMI cable and plug it back in. Also make sure the HDMI cable is firmly seated at both ends. Quick recap. Settings. Device Preferences. Display and Sound. CEC Control. Off. Advanced Sound. Set to None. Never use Surround Sound. Return home. Open DTH and test your channels. If you use a soundbar, keep CEC off and Surround set to None first. If you use an AVR, same thing. CEC off and Surround set to None first. If everything works, you can experiment with Auto or Dolby later, but if the audio drops again, switch back to None. This fix solves most Airtel DTH sound problems on Android TVs by stopping HDMI handshakes from changing audio formats mid-channel. It is simple, reliable, and you can revert anytime. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and mention your TV model if you still need help. I will help point you to the exact menu name. Some TVs label it slightly differently, like Sound, Advanced, or Audio Output Format. Thanks for watching. If this saved you a service call, hit like, share it with someone facing audio issues, and subscribe for more quick fixes and smart home tips. Enjoy your channels. DTH Sound. Sorted. See you in the next one. One more time. Settings. Device Preferences. Display and Sound. CEC off. Advanced Sound. None. Problem solved. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.